The 2025 Chevy Equinox uses Chevrolet's MyLink infotainment system, crucial for navigation, media, and connectivity via Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. If you experience freezes, app issues, or Bluetooth problems, resetting the system is a key troubleshooting step. GM releases over-the-air updates to fix bugs, but resets are still useful. There are three types of resets: a reboot, also called soft reset, a factory reset, and a connectivity fix. As of October 2025, the infotainment system runs on software version 5.2.0 or higher. Enhanced connectivity fixes have improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stability. The system uses a 7 or 8-inch touchscreen. Occasional lag might occur after long drives. No major recalls have been issued this year, but factory resets are recommended for software issues. Check for updates in the Settings menu. There are a few different types of resets for the system. A reboot, or soft reset, clears cache and restarts apps without losing data. To perform a reboot, put your car in park and turn it off. Then press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This clears temporary glitches. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, deleting customizations. To do this, go to Settings, Vehicle, Reset, Restore Vehicle Settings, then confirm and enter the PIN, often 00. Backup data beforehand, as this disconnects all paired devices. Finally, a connectivity fix targets Bluetooth or Wi-Fi issues. Forget and repair devices in Settings for Bluetooth. For Wi-Fi issues, go to Vehicle, Connectivity, Wi-Fi Settings, Reset Hotspot. For advanced problems, visit a dealer for GM's diagnostic tool. These resets don't affect the engine control unit, but always check the manual to avoid warranty issues.